Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from Howlogical, and in this video I am going to show you how to automate your Trello. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to automate your Trello, you just simply have to open Trello into any of the browser. Then, after opening Trello.com, you will have to select any of the board into here. I'm selecting this basic board of mine, and after that, just simply tap into this option in order to automate. And after tapping, you will get to see the rules button, email reports, and send feedback option. I'm going with rules into here. Then, after doing this, you can tap into this create automation option and then tap into save option after customizing, and this way you can easily automate your Trello. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.